Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Kia Soul and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep each lens. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so now we can start with the installation once we finish prepping the lens. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film on one end. You can start from either side, it doesn't really matter. Just wherever you start, make sure you align it, tack it down, secure it, and then just align the rest, tack it down until you reach to the other end. So to secure the film, just apply Tack Solution on the section you want to start first. So align it right on the edge here. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution. Make sure you're holding it, grab your squeegee, and start tightening it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. That way the adhesive on the film starts to tack down faster. And just keep it aligned and continue as you go. You can also just lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath it. That way the adhesive on the film activates as we're tacking down the film with our squeegee. So once you finish tightening down, one thing you can do just to help the adhesive activate a little faster, that way we help the adhesive activate a little faster while we're working on the other lenses, is applying Tack Solution and using your heat gun and applying heat to the film. And as we're applying heat, we're just going to use our microfiber towel just to help it tack down. For this one, you can use the low setting when you're applying heat. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the lens and start by aligning it on this section first. We're going to tack it down and then little by little work our way aligning the film until we reach to this end. So make sure you lift it carefully and make sure you just align it to the edge here. So it should cover everything right on the end here. Apply Tack Solution on top of the film. Use your squeegee and start tagging it down. That way we secure the film. Make sure it stays secured. And then we're slowly going to work our way to the rest of the film. Now what we need to do is lift the film carefully. Apply Slip Solution to the lens. That way we're able to stretch the film just a little bit and keep it aligned. So to tack it down and secure it more faster, just lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution on the edge. Do a light stretch. Make sure you're covering the lens and apply a Tack Solution on top. And then use your squeegee to tack down the film. And you are going to encounter these small fingers right here in this middle section. Don't worry too much about them, because all we need to do in order to remove them is apply Tack Solution and heat, tack them down slowly, and then we should be good. So apply Tack Solution on the fingers, apply heat to shrink those fingers. Once we have shrunk the fingers, now we could wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee and then just squeegee at an angle to help it tack down. And the reason why we're using our microfiber towel is, one reason is to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that may be trapped underneath the film. So just repeat this process until you remove all of the fingers. And you should be good. So once you finish with the installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire lens. So all we need to do is apply tack solution to the tint, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting, and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. And you can use the low setting on the heat gun when you're applying heat to the tint. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Kia Soul. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.